Good morning, everyone. We have a beautiful third Sunday of Advent. It's snowing a little bit here in Nuremberg, finally. And yeah, we are going to have some nice Sunday lunch at Sebastian's parents. We are picking up his grandma. And then we are heading actually to some Christmas market. So yeah, that's exciting. We went also this week to the Christmas party from Sebastian's work. My mom was here this week, so that was very nice to have her here. Yeah, I'm not sure if this week is planned something special. I think just finally maybe a little bit relax at home and do some work, because the last week was actually very busy. I wanted to say that the food at the Christmas party, which we were there actually second year already, last year we were there too, it was so good. And the drinks, the cocktails were so yummy. It was a nice party, yeah. I think it's always great, to get together with the work colleagues, even if it's from your partner's work. So we also knew each other already from some parties, work parties from before. So yeah, that was nice to see everybody and just, good food, good drinks, and enjoy the evening. We were on the way to Wolfgangshof market, which is about 15 minutes from the city of Nuremberg. This Christmas market is open on the Advent weekends. You should count on that it will be very busy, but definitely worth the visit. The entry for adults is 9 euros. You can find there lots of handmade products, and it gives you a really feel of the Christmas markets of old. You can also find there lots of food, definitely lots of mulled wine. We also tried roasted chestnuts, which they were actually very yummy. Christmas markets are a huge deal in Germany, as they encourage just about everyone to get in the spirit when it Christmas time rolls around, and that's what I very love on Germany. There were also little rides for children, there were also llamas and other live animals. It is literally so freezing outside and I am frozen, like literally. I also got this nutcracker from Sebastian's mom, and I'm very happy about it because I wanted to buy it already a long time ago, and yeah, she gave it to us, so I will put him somewhere. The Christmas market was very cool. It was very busy. We had some mulled wine and some roasted chestnuts. There was lots of to see, to buy, to eat. So yeah, we spent there I think about 2 hours, and then we were just freezing. It was enough. And I'm honestly tired. We were also yesterday at the sauna for 4 hours, so that was very nice to sweat off all the bad stuff from inside out. So yeah, we like always to go to sauna in the winter time when it's cold. So I think we did like 3 or 4 times 15 minutes. We did some sauna with a lemon flavor, then with some herb flavor. This one was my favorite. I think there was lavender and yeah, all good herbs. And then there is also always in certain times one person which puts music on. She waves the towels, the air all around, so you can really feel the heat, and it was very cool. I am about to watch Wednesday. I think by the 3rd episode, and let me know in the comments below if you watched this series or if you know it, because I used to love Addams Family when I was a kid, and I love it also here. I love Wednesday also. I saw 2 episodes till now, and I love it. It's so cold. Hey guys, it is literally so freezing the last days. The other day it was -10. We got some snow. You know, it's better than rain, so I like it like this, even if it's too cold. Today I wanted to make some quick recipe for, you know, this Christmassy mood. And this is this Christmas tree from Puff Pastry. It should be very easy, very quick. It's with the spinach filling with some cheese and garlic. So I have here the ingredients. I washed my spinach. I'm going to fry the 2 garlic cloves on some butter, I think. Then I am going to add the spinach and some Philadelphia cheese. Then I'm going to add to it some feta cheese. And here is the puff pastry. So I need 2 pieces of it. And then at the end we are going to put over the egg and put it in the oven. This is the first time I'm making this. I saw it also, my friend did it with just Nutella, which I think should be much easier, and with Nutella delicious. I definitely have to also try it with Nutella. So yeah, let's just do it. First I'm going to heat up my pan, and I'm actually using this cream-based butter. So yeah, but you can use, I think, butter or olive oil. So let's rest it a little bit. I love garlic, guys. It smells so good. I think I'm also going to put a little bit of sea salt and a little bit of black pepper. Now I'm going to put the cream cheese. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of it, and let's see how the consistency is going to be. I'm going to add to it feta cheese. Throw it there like this, and just let's let it melt. Let's put the temperature a little bit down on medium, because I had it way too high, I think. I think that should be enough. I let it cook just like about 5 minutes. So my cheese spinach mixture is cooling down, and we are going to use now the puff pastry, and we are going to try to cut it somehow in the tree shape. I would just first try to just cut it in the tree shape. Maybe I will do it from here, like that. Then I'm going to put the top layer away for a sec. We are going to put there the mixture which cooled down. I think it should be something like this. And now we have to cut it and twist it so it reminds a little bit more of the tree. And I think I'm just going to cut rows like this on the both sides. I'm going to put egg all over like this. Little bit of salt like this. Maybe also a little bit of oregano would taste nice. So let's see. So I have here some what was left from the pastry, and these 2 are with Nutella, which I think Sebastian will love. And these 2 are also with the cheese spinach mixture, and just these 3 on the side are just with nothing but a little bit salt, egg and oregano. I'm preheating the oven for 180 for about 20-25 minutes. Let's see how it looks, and yeah, I'm excited for it. You know, I think this is also great to make it for New Year's Eve or for actually whatever party you are going to. I think all the stuff from the puff pastry is always quick and easy. So Sometimes I'm also doing pizza with the puff pastry, and yeah, it tastes also good. Yeah, it's done and it looks good. It looks so good. What do you think, guys? Look at it. Nice and gold. And it looks also crispy. I think it turned up so good. I'm just very excited how it tastes. These are also looking nice. Yeah, okay, the smaller ones here, they were there way too long because I wanted to get done these. Maybe we can try to cut this one, the tree I want to eat later with Sebastian. Nice. It tastes so good, guys. You have to try this. The feta cheese, I love the feta cheese there. And I also think I will close up my second vlogmas here. Also, guys, if you are new to my channel and you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.